Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, a big thanks to everyone for the amazing response that I got on my first video. It was unexpected. Second thing, in today's video, we are going to learn some watercolor backgrounds that we can do for our calligraphy work, for card making, for designer paper making, etc. You can do it for anything. So let's just get started. So the material required is watercolor paper, watercolors, salt, brushes and clean water. So starting with the artwork, we will start with giving a nice water wash to the paper first. Also, I have used washi tape so to give my artwork clean look. You can skip if you don't have one. Now I am taking some water and paint in the brush that is dark blue color. We start painting from the edges first. The technique we are here using is wet on wet technique. So I am dabbing with brush very randomly here and there. We will make sure to color the edges dark, and we won't be coloring much in the center because there is where we are going to place our coat. You can't have effects like this on dry paper, so make sure your paper is wet enough. Done with the painting part, my paper is still wet, so now I am sprinkling a pinch of salt over my artwork so to have snowflake effect. It only works in wet paper, so make sure your paper is wet. It's all dried now. Removing the washi tape, and our first watercolor background is ready. So this is how it looks. Now for our second background, we will place the coat first and then we will start painting the empty spaces near the coat. The technique we are here using is negative painting technique. We will paint all the spaces near the coat but not behind it. So I am starting with a nice water wash first. Now I am taking some paint and water in my brush and applying all over the negative spaces. So our first layer is done. We will now let it dry and then we will paint another layer over it with little darker shade of pink. And we are done with our second layer too. We will start painting our third, fourth and fifth layer in same way, with little darker shade of pink in each layer. And the background is ready. This is how it looks. Now for our third background, we are going to play a lot with our strokes. So for our first stroke, I have taken some water in my brush and a little of paint in it, which is icy blue color. So here I am starting with a random straight horizontal stroke from blue and from pink color. Now making a straight horizontal water stroke and connecting it with a stroke done above so that paint can flow freely. And we are going to do the same thing until we are done. So our final piece is ready and this is how it looks. So this was it. I hope you guys liked the video. In order to keep me motivated, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down whatever you feel about this video. And thank you so much for watching it.